Hey everyone! Did you know that some countries offer citizenship in just a few months? That's right, no decades-long waits, no endless paperwork. Just a straightforward path to becoming a citizen of a new country. Whether you're looking for better opportunities, a safer environment, or just the freedom to travel the world without visa hassles, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 countries giving citizenship easily in 2025. So, grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's explore which countries are rolling out the red carpet for new citizens. Now, before we get into the list, let's talk about why this matters. For many of us, the idea of a second citizenship is more than just a backup plan. It's a gateway to freedom, security, and opportunity. But let's be real, navigating immigration laws can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. That's why some countries have simplified the process, making it easier than ever to become a citizen. So let's jump right into number 5. Number 5, Canada. Canada, the land of maple syrup, friendly people, and some of the most welcoming immigration policies in the world. By 2025, Canada is expected to continue its tradition of inclusivity, offering citizenship in as little as 3 to 5 years. How? Through programs like Express Entry, provincial nominee programs, and family sponsorship. Once you're a permanent resident, you only need to live in Canada for 3 out of 5 years to qualify for citizenship. And the perks? Free healthcare, world-class education, and visa-free travel to over 180 countries. Plus, who wouldn't want to live in a country that's consistently ranked as one of the happiest in the world? Number 4, Portugal. If you've ever dreamed of living in Europe, Portugal might be your golden ticket. Thanks to its Golden Visa program, you can obtain citizenship in just 5 years. All you need is a legal residency, which you can get by investing in real estate, starting a business, or even just showing proof of income. Once you're a citizen, you gain access to the entire European Union, meaning you can live, work, and study in any of the 27 EU countries. And let's not forget Portugal's stunning beaches, rich history, and affordable cost of living. It's no wonder this country is a top choice for expats. Number 3, Vanuatu. Now, this one might surprise you. Vanuatu, a tiny island nation in the South Pacific, offers one of the fastest citizenship by investment programs in the world. For a minimum investment of $130,000, you can become a citizen in just 1 to 4 months, yes, months. And the best part? There's no residency requirement. You don't even need to visit the country. Once you're a citizen, you'll enjoy visa-free travel to over 100 countries, including the UK, Singapore, and Russia. Plus, Vanuatu has no income tax, no wealth tax, and no inheritance tax. It's like the ultimate tax haven with a tropical twist. Number 2, Turkey. Sitting at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Turkey offers a unique blend of cultures, history, and opportunity. Its citizenship by investment program requires a minimum investment of $400,000 in real estate, and you can become a citizen in just 12 months. Once you're a Turkish citizen, you'll have visa-free access to over 110 countries, including Japan and Singapore. And here's the kicker: Turkey is a candidate for EU membership, which means your Turkish passport could become even more powerful in the future. Talk about a smart investment. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, number 1, Malta. If you're looking for the ultimate fast track to EU citizenship, Malta is your best bet. Through its citizenship by naturalization for exceptional services program, you can become a citizen in just 12 to 36 months. The catch? You'll need to make a significant financial contribution, starting at €600,000, but in return, you'll get a Maltese passport, which is one of the most powerful in the world. It grants you visa-free access to over 180 countries, including the US, Canada, and the entire EU. Plus, Malta is known for its stunning Mediterranean landscapes, low crime rates, and high quality of life. It's like living in a postcard. 59. So there you have it, the top 5 countries offering citizenship easily in 2025. Whether you're drawn to Canada's inclusivity, Portugal's European charm, Vanuatu's speed, Turkey's strategic location, or Malta's prestige, each of these countries offers a unique path to global citizenship. And remember, this isn't just about getting a second passport, it's about opening doors to new opportunities, security, and freedom. So which country would you choose? Let me know in the comments below.